Choose a single-floor layout or a modest split plan to cut foundation and framing expenses without sacrificing function. Single-floor or simple split designs reduce excavation, foundation wall length, and complicated floor framing, which directly lowers material and labor costs. Favor a ranch or bungalow footprint with a compact rectangular or L-shaped plan to minimize exterior wall area and roof complexity. Place commonly used rooms like the kitchen, living room, and primary bedroom adjacent to reduce long corridors and interior stair runs. If the site forces level changes, use a modest split with just one short set of 2 to 4 steps rather than full multi-levels, so mechanical runs and structural loads stay simple. Keep ceiling heights consistent across most of the home to avoid costly raised beams and complex roof junctions. Design closets and bathrooms back-to-back to share plumbing walls and keep the plumbing zone compact, which reduces pipe lengths and mechanical labor. 3 common mistakes are overusing stairs, creating scattered plumbing, and sprawling open plans that increase envelope area. Homeowners often insist on multiple level changes and decorative staircases, which inflate foundation depth and require extra beams. Avoid this by committing to one level with a restrained entry step or a tiny split. Builders and designers sometimes place wet rooms far apart, which adds long runs of piping and extra trenching. Cluster bathrooms and the kitchen and root services through a single mechanical chase. Clients may push for a very wide 100-foot or irregular footprint that expands roof and exterior wall costs. Instead, tighten the footprint to a simple rectangle or compact L shape to save on framing, roofing, and insulation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around practical home building choices like single floor and modest split plans, and we help people locate trusted local professionals. We host a discussion community so builders and homeowners can share experiences, ask questions, and compare cost-saving strategies.